The Republic of Somaliland and the Federal Republic of Ethiopia have reached a historic deal. Somaliland will lease 20 kilometers of its 851-kilometer coastline to Ethiopia. In exchange, Ethiopia will grant recognition to Somaliland and have over 30% of its goods go through Berbera port instead of Djibouti. Ethiopia, for the first time, has also sold significant share of Ethiopian Airlines to Somaliland. The company generated $6.1 billion in 2023, confirmed by Somaliland's foreign minister. Back in 2022, there are about 15 plus African nations and multiple other states outside the continent that have signed and agreed to recognize Somaliland once a single official recognition has been granted. This is diplomacy at its finest.